all the books. Before that, I want to move this a little bit down. So here I'll write margin top 5 in the card. So now it should be a little down. Okay, I think this is great. So let's write here table. If you write a table, then you'll get table here. So I'll copy this first table. So copy this code, and let's go to now we have to design the index page. You can see this is the page that will list all the books. So we'll make the index page. So instead of writing this one, now we'll write return view, and book folder will make index.play.php file. So now let's go in the book. So we have the book here, and here we'll make index.plate.php file, and here we'll make the table. First write this one, and then here we'll make the table. So within the body, paste this one and format it. So to format, you'll write Shift, Option, and F keyword in the Visual Studio, and it will format for you. Okay, so books. If you go to books now, then you'll see this one. So we don't have the bootstrap, so why not copy again from the create.play.php. So I'll copy these two scripts from the create.play.php, and I'll paste this over here, the create.play. Okay, and you can see here. Okay, so here as well, so what you do is we'll make the container, we'll make the core, MD, everything like this. So I'll copy up to here, and I'll paste this here. So as you can see, we have this div is closed here, but we have one div here, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to close the 5 div, right? So let's close this 5 div here. So this is one div, the next one, and this is the third div, this is the fourth one, and this is the fifth one. Okay, format this. This is formatted, and now let's save this, and let's start this, and you can see we have the list of book now. So here now we'll change the title as a list of book, list of new books, list of all books, list of all books. Okay, now we have to get the books right from database. So how will you get that? So to get here in the index method, we'll make the books here. Okay, and we'll write the book, which is the method here, which is the model here, and we'll write a get method, get, that will get all the books. So now you'll write compact, and we'll pass this books variable so that we can loop in our view file books, and now we can loop this in index.play.php. Okay, and let's remove this one. Here will be the name of book, here will be the DSC, RIP, and description, and here will be the family or category of that book. And let's remove this 2, and now we'll loop this one. Okay, so for each, you can write for each books h book. Okay, and you can in for each, in for each, and here you can get the name of book. So you'll write here $book name, you'll write the description, DSC RIPTI in description, and you'll write here the category, CATEGO, or a category. And you can see we have the first book, and it is displayed here. So instead of writing for each, you can also write for else. And the advantage of using for else is that first we have to write it for in for else. So if you don't have any books, it will display that the message there is no any books, and this can be done within the empty block. We'll write empty here, and here we give something like TD or P tag and no any books. So if we don't have any books, it will display the things within the empty. Okay, so you can also write for else. So we got all the books, right? So I'll see you guys in the next video now.